Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen record quality into OPPO A17. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down to the bottom and go into System Settings. Here choose Screen Recording option, and then scroll down and choose Definition option. It's our quality, so if you wanna, for example, high quality, choose this option and click back to save. If you wanna low, the same, choose and click back. And here we can customize our quality. I want a high, so choose this option and click back to save. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.